Miele's automatic setting. Convenient vacuum cleaning without interruptions. No matter what type of flooring, Miele's automatic setting always adjusts suction power perfectly. Suction power is automatically reduced when cleaning carpets, for gentle cleaning and good maneuverability. On hard floors, on the other hand, suction power is increased automatically to thoroughly remove soil from corners. How does it work? Suction is constantly monitored. This function is performed by a sensor in the electronic controls. This involves monitoring vacuum pressure at the floor head via an air tube and adjusting motor output accordingly. On carpets, the floor head is closer to the floor. Vacuum pressure increases and air is drawn out of the sensor. A diaphragm responds and activates a switch contact. This is interpreted by the controls as the signal to reduce motor output. When the vacuum pressure drops once again, the switch is open-circuited and power increases. Simply practical. Perfect cleaning results fully automatically. And also environmentally friendly, as the system only uses as much electricity as is needed at any given time. Intelligent. Miele's automatic setting.